Find or read reviews that people are talking about Qmetalart Robot Vacuum Cabinet. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Universal compatibility. Robot vacuum cabinet designed to fit top-loading and unloading disc-shaped robot vacuums for Shark, for Roborock, for iRobot, for Dreame, for Eufy. Important, please check model before buy. Durable construction. Robot vacuum side table crafted from high-quality metal and sturdy particle board, ensuring a stable, long-lasting cabinet that keeps your robot vacuum station securely in place. Hidden storage solution. Keep your home tidy by discreetly concealing your robot vacuum and its accessories in the fabric drawer and robot vacuum cabinet, providing a clutter-free, aesthetically pleasing space. Easy maintenance access. Robot vacuum storage cabinet sliding top panel makes it simple to remove the water tank, dust bag, or vacuum canister. No need to move the entire cabinet for routine maintenance. Modern industrial design. The glossy black metal finish and minimalist style seamlessly blend with contemporary decor, offering a chic, cost-effective way to hide your robot vacuum. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.